Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Tanktix again with another Genesis Impact booster box opening. This is the other half of the previous video, so this is another 12 packs here. Again, we're still trying to get all the Drytron cards to build that deck that I'm trying to make. On top of that, don't forget the 500 subscriber special. If I can get the 500 subscribers, we will do a special cool rare opening. Again, the hints to win the $25 to figure out what I'm opening or to guess what I'm opening is that it's very old and it's from the year 2002. So there's only a couple of sets back in there. It may be a set, it may be a item, like something that they released back in 2002, but it's up to you to guess. You can guess up to like 3 times. I don't want unlimited guesses because eventually you'll get it right. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the opening again. The last video was pretty good. We got some stuff that we really needed. I hope we get one more Cyber Emergency for the deck, and the rest will just go into the sets, the lines to complete. Alright, so here we go. We got ourselves an Evil Twin card, another Drytron card. This card here, Performa Mage. We got this card. We've seen this card about a dozen times, but it is what it is. I still like the artwork on that. Yeah. Open the pack, please. Okay. Drytron cards, some other cards you've seen 100 times. We got another Ben 10. There we go. We got ourselves an alpha card. I'm not sure if I need any more alpha cards, but it is cool to see. This is a really good box. Probably the best box I've opened so far. I just broke that pack like nothing. There we go. Alright, we have seen this card before. Drytron card, Nightmare card, a Bottomless Trap Hole card, another Drytron card. We got ourselves the Herald card, and we got ourselves the Glass Goddess. We have seen this a few times as well, but again, the artwork is awesome on this. So I'm not complaining. See what we get next. Seen this card. It's gonna be a little bit quicker now because why not? Alright, I've only seen this once, but there we go. We got ourselves this card right here. Good to see, good to see. Help to complete a couple of the sets for this this binder. Like I have binders of all these cards in order. I'll sell them eventually once I can complete a couple of the sets. And it's pretty cool to have something like that. Drytron card, that card we've seen, another Ben 10, woohoo! Here we go, and we got ourselves another secret password. I think this is the third one that we have seen. Right, we're halfway done after this pack right here. I can get it, there we go. We just seen this card in the last pack. Okay. Getting through it, and we got ourselves the Underworld card there that we keep seeing. See what we get next. I don't know why I do that like that. Some of these packs are just so flimsy. Performa Mage card. And we got ourselves another Cyber, that's the third Cyber Emergency. That is awesome. That completes, for at least the deck, the Cyber Emergencies that I need. That is awesome. There we go, that opened nicely. Evil Star, Drytron, Magatus, Cyber Drytron, and we got ourselves another Glass Goddess. Doo-doo-doo. What's that? My own sound effects. Alright, let's see what we got here. The Book of the Law. And oh, Drytron Nova. I haven't seen this card yet, I don't think, but I definitely need it. That is awesome. This was definitely a really good booster box. Holy cow. That card is awesome. Definitely need a Drytron Nova. All right, we got a Nightmare Unicorn, another Cyber Angel card, Foolish Burial card, and we got ourselves Livestar Twin Kill Key. I don't know if that's Kill Skill. I don't know, man. I don't know, but that's pretty cool. Two more packs to go. All right, we got Mark here, good old Mark. Drytron, and we got another one of these guys right here, the Chalice Slime card here. And then the final pack of this video. And after this, we'll open up something a little different, and then we'll go back to our Genesis Impact booster boxes until we are done with the deck. I think we're close as far as, you know, the base cards. We still gotta probably buy some other cards because I'm not gonna get packs for everything, but it's pretty cool. And we got, we've seen this card 100 times, but this is number one. This is the number one card in the set, and it's like number one for the super rares, the amount of times you see this card. But that is it. We did get some good cards again, which is exciting. I can't wait to open up another Genesis Impact. Please rate, comment, like, and subscribe. Remember the 500 subscriber special. We're so close. Please help me out. I want to give you guys as many cards for free as possible. So please spread the word of Tanktics. Everybody have a good day. I'll see you.